Today I'm going to show you how to navigate the Nebraska Groundwater Quality Clearinghouse, which you can find by searching clearinghouse.nebraska.gov. This is a great tool to use while you're waiting for results from UNL's Water Sciences Lab. You can use this resource to compare the concentrations that you found in the groundwater you tested to the concentrations of that chemical in the same area taken by industry professionals. Some questions you might ask as you navigate the Nebraska Clearinghouse are, do my results match what others have found, and what does that say about the area being tested? You can look at this resource temporally and ask something like, are my results higher or lower than from, say, 10 years ago? What might be the reason for that difference or similarity? You can also look at this resource spatially and ask how concentrations of a chemical in one area compare to another. It's a good idea to see if the well you tested has been tested before and take a look at the results from those tests if it was. Now let's take a look at how the map part of this tool works. All of these dots are individual wells that have been tested and logged into the clearinghouse. You can zoom in and out by scrolling on your mouse or using your keypad. You can also click the magnifying glass at the top. This is helpful if you want to take a closer look at the area where you tested your well. To see a different part of the map, just click and drag. To go back to view the whole state, press the button here. Pressing the Select Wells by Click feature allows you to get information on a specific well by hovering over the dot. You can also navigate different layers by clicking on this icon if that's something you're interested in. Next, we'll take a look at the Well Explorer. As you can see, there are a lot of wells registered under the Nebraska Clearinghouse. Thankfully, there's a filter we can use to find a specific well or group of wells. This is found at the top of the Well Explorer bar. By clicking View Well Filter, we get a number of filters we can add to our search, like the well details, its location, and its latitude and longitude. We'll use an example well where we have information for the first 3 filters. We'll hit Apply Filter, which will make it so we only see the specific well I was looking for, both in the Well Explorer and on the map. We also see more details about it here that may be helpful to you. Clicking on the clearinghouse number will give us even more stats to check out. You can find the same information by clicking the Select Wells by Click feature and hovering over the dot on the map. If you want more information like the status of the well, its use, its description, and surrounding wells, you can click on the DNR link. Looking up at the Sample Results Explorer, we see that this well has 2 sample dates a year apart. You can scroll to see the substance that was tested, the maximum contamination level, and other data you might find interesting or useful. You can easily remove all of the filters you have made by hitting the button at the top that says Reset All Filters. These are just the main things you will likely want to look at when navigating the Nebraska Clearinghouse, but there are a lot of other cool features you can explore. If you have any questions about those features or what I've shown you today, email knowyourwell@unl.edu. Thanks for watching.